The secret to modernization is speed and efficiency, both of which rely on enduring support, just like the pillars of this flyover. And what gives them life? You know it. Nothing endures like steel.
Steel endures, empowers, and energizes progress. And one of the leading organizations that unleashed the power of steel is Aarelgroup, a multi-crore group that has astutely integrated its operations over the years. The flagship company of the group, Aarel Steels, is one of India's most respected niche alloy and special steel manufacturers. The story of Aarel Steel's unique strengths begin at its massive steel melting shop.
We are having 3 furnaces, in which 20 tons over 2 furnaces and 1 furnace over 10 tons. In these furnaces, we are keeping the scraps, melting it along with some additions of the ferroalloys like ferrochrome, ferromanganese, sponge iron, and this is the process of our tapping. We are tapping it from the melting unit to the ladle.
These state-of-the-art furnaces eliminate tramp and undesired elements from molten steel, thus ensuring a high degree of product resilience.
This is our continuous casting machine of the 10.25 into 19 radius. In that, our molten metal with duly refined and vacuum degassed, and from this liquid metal coming to the turn disc. From that turn disc, it is going to the mold, and it is continuous casted into the desired mold size.
Aarel Steels is one of the few companies in India to own a 30-inch reversible rolling mill that is fully automated and delivers precise, value-added and zero-defect output. Each output from Aarel Steels goes through extensively automated quality control systems. And even manual checks. That's why Aarel Steels has been accredited with ISO 9001-2000 by IRQS. With a capability to produce over 150 grades and over 450 sizes with shape variants ranging from rounds, squares and flats to special customized profiles, Aarel Steels is one of the most versatile steel manufacturing units in India. Aarel Steel's extensive success can be attributed to management's visionary approach to the business. Plans for acquisition of a sponge iron plant, commissioning of a mini blast furnace and a 30-megawatt captive power plant will soon ensure the company's presence in multiple segments. Its forays into hand tools, commercial forgings and leaf springs became major milestones in the company's history. Today, Aarel Tools is the largest exporter in this segment with an infrastructure that is simply world-class.
रख रखाव में जितना कम समय खर्च होगा, उत्पादन में उतनी ही तेजी होगी। उत्तम रख रखाव के लिए चाहिए परिशुद्धता और शक्ति, इस्पात की शक्ति।
The hand tools division of Aarel Tools is operational at 2 large units in Aurangabad, Maharashtra, each equipped with state-of-the-art equipment and highly experienced manpower. Aarel Tools has an indigenous product design and development unit that uses the world's finest CAM systems and CNC machines to create high-precision dies based on specific requirements of the customers. Once the molds are cast, they are put to action at sophisticated forging units that shape the future of the chrome vanadium steel hand tools and commercial forgings The polishing process involves various stages wherein the edges are smoothened off in the first step, and then the entire tool goes through rigorous polishing systems, including the unique collocate polishing machines and vibrators. The final stages of finishing add that rare sheen to the tools, making them glimmer across the globe. Apart from standardized branding systems, Aarelgroup Tools also has a special laser inscription unit that imprints tamper-proof branding for that really niche market. Quality checks happen at every stage of production to ensure precision in terms of form and performance. Even the slightest error is not compromised with. When the tools are ready to face the stringent challenges of the industries, they are packaged using standardized or customized methods to ensure ease of handling, transportation, and also to offer better shelf appeal. Aarelgroup Tools has the capability to produce almost any kind of hand tools, including spanners, wrenches, nail pullers, punches, hacksaws, vices, screwdrivers, pliers, cutters, axes, hammers, and jack and block planes. Today, these high-quality precision-engineered tools meet the stringent requirements of companies worldwide. Its success in hand tools inspired the management to venture into more sophisticated and quality-critical arenas, like the automotive segment.
प्रगति का भार खींचने के लिए चाहिए अपार ताकत, इस्पात की ताकत।
The leaf springs division of Aarelgroup Tools is highly techno-intensive and futuristic. At an exclusive plant, Aarelgroup Tools manufactures the finest parabolic leaf springs that meet the ultimate demands of clients all over the world and is capable of handling the rigors of harsh driving situations and, at times, severe climatic conditions. But before the springs are fitted onto the finest vehicles around the world, they go through the ultimate grind at every stage of production.
This is short peening machine. It induces the residual stresses in the spring and increases the fatigue life of the product.
The raw material sourced from Aarel steels is cut to precision and put through varying temperatures to make it roadworthy. The shearing process is followed by center punching and leads to the forming zone where it is trimmed, tapered and bent. The parabolic section molds the strips to requisite shape for optimum performance. This design keeps the spring flexible and enables the vehicle to carry heavy loads. The end grooving process too is a high precision exercise since the dimensions of the grooves are critical in ensuring the performance of the leaf springs. The leaf springs are then subjected to various temperature fluctuations in order to give them better load-bearing capabilities.
Ours is heat treatment furnace, which is fully automatic, PID control and walking beam type.
That's the reason why these springs are able to offer a smoother ride and more axle articulation with no downside. The leaves are then polished, finished and painted to give them that classic look. Finally, they are assembled to form the perfect suspension device which empowers the aspirations of leading brands. But what really put the Aarelgroup on an international podium are its R&D and QC capabilities. The labs are fully equipped to leverage innovative ideas and ensure error-proof precision. A group that responds to every demand of its clients. A group that goes beyond the call of duty. A group that has always been proactive to its clients' requirements. That's Aarelgroup. Because when you need to support sky-high aspirations, your foundation will be tested time and again.